Hello friends, welcome to Cube Geeks Pro. Today we have Ipshita with us. आज वो अपना विप्रो इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करेगी. इप्शिता, अपना रिटर्न राउंड के बारे में कुछ एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करो.
Hello everyone. First of all, welcome to Cube Geeks Pro. When I come to my written round, my written round was on 9th of November. और बेसिकली रिटर्न राउंड में मेरा 3 सेक्शंस था. नॉर्मल जो होता है एप्टी राउंड एंड वर्बल लॉजिकल वो, उसके बाद कोडिंग था, उसके बाद एसे राइटिंग था. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फर्स्ट सेक्शन में आई थिंक वर्बल का 18 क्वेश्चंस 18 मिनट्स था. Logical was 14 questions 14 minutes, and then apti round was 16 questions 16 minutes. Then second was my automata fix, which was basically coding. There were 2 questions and the time allotted was 60 minutes. And then third था essay writing 20 minutes one topic. So basically essay writing में आपको थोड़ा ध्यान देना पड़ेगा, जैसे कि पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स हो गया, ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स हो गया, उस थोड़ा ध्यान देना, बाकी सब कुछ सही रहेगा. That's all about my written round.
Okay, Ipshita. So now coming to the technical and HR round discussion. So अपने टेक्निकल राउंड्स में कितने पैनल मेंबर्स प्रेजेंट थे एंड कितने ड्यूरेशन का तुम्हारा इंटरव्यू चला था, तो उसके बारे में कुछ बताओगे?
Yeah, sure. First of all, coming to my technical round, my technical round was lasted up to 15 to 20 minutes. और मेरे पैनल में एक ही मेंबर थे और the technical round was quite good enough. तो फर्स्ट तो उन्होंने मुझे इंट्रोडक्शन देने के लिए बोला, that I gave very correctly, and after that he asked about my project, my recent project that I have did, and in an internship I did this project and I said all brief about my projects. Then he asked me to rate myself in C and C++, in which language I am comfortable and all that, and then he asked many more situation based questions like my project was about something machine learning and all, and he asked that how could you relate your 5G and machine learning, and that I also answered that question. So there was not too technical, but yeah, they asked mainly upon project. Their focus is mainly upon the project you did currently. So तुम लोग मतलब basically अच्छे से अपना project prepare करके रहना, मतलब जो भी questions, मतलब जहाँ से जितना भी हो सकता है questions, सब कुछ prepare करके रहना. So be prepared well, and yeah, then you can go. And उसके बाद they asked about my do you know about bond period of Wipro, do you know, are you willing to relocate or not, basically सारे these questions पूछे. So my technical round lasted up to 20 minutes.
Okay, Ipshita. So basically in technical round they ask about your projects you have done before.
Yeah, they also I think my friends told me that they in their panel members they asked about coding questions, like basically the factorial of a number, parentum of a number, recursion programs. They asked programs like this, but in my case it was not like that. They basically asked me about syntax of C program, like can you say me the syntax of an 2D array, can you say me the syntax of union structure, like that they did ask. In my panel member, he didn't say me that please write the code.
Okay.
That was the only.
Thank you, Ipshita, for your technical round experience you have shared. So now coming to the HR round, so will you explain us how was your experience about that?
Yeah, after clearing the technical round, I think that there is not much to worry about HR round, but yeah, you need to speak English too good so that your HR panel member means be impressed upon you. So basically in my HR round lasted up to 5 to 7 minutes. He asked about me, about my native place, about my hobbies, and he also asked me that what is your favorite memory till now you have gathered, and yeah, that's all. He basically asked about my native place, my parents' occupations, and my interest, my hobbies, and yeah, my favorite memory till date.
Okay, Ipshita. Thank you. So how did you prepare for this whole process, exam process and all? Please say something about.
Yeah, coming to preparation, you need to be very thorough upon your apti, and yeah, logical और verbal तो सबको ही बना लेंगे, उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. But yeah, you need to be very careful in your apti because उसमें अगर गलत होगा तो then you may be not qualified for the technical round. So yeah, उसमें थोड़ा ध्यान देना. और preparation की बात अगर करेंगे तो I think there are many videos and many websites available in Google and YouTube, so we can refer from that. ऐसा कोई चीज नहीं है, मतलब कोई दिक्कत वाली चीज नहीं है. So yeah, you can refer that YouTube videos and Google website. Google में सर्च करके, मतलब बहुत सारे वेबसाइट होते हैं जो तुम प्रिपेयर कर सकते हो. इतना भी परेशान वाला चीज नहीं है. But yeah, you mainly need to focus on your aptitude to clear your written round, and then also do coding practice because coding इतना easy भी नहीं आता. So coding was up to moderate level. So yeah, do practice apti and coding. Yeah, so yeah, I did go through many YouTube videos, and I also recently came across through the channel called CubeGeeks Pro, and I was very happy and very impressed to see this channel growing up very recently. So I think that you should refer this channel for more upcoming videos and more live interview sharing experiences. So please guys refer from this channel. You will get many information related videos from for placements, how to apply, how to register, and how to go through the process of registration of on campus and off campus. So I think this is a very nice channel. You should refer to this so you can get the correct information and accurate information.
And
So
guys,
thank you.
you will be provided with the free materials so that it will be easy for you to prepare well for all the exams. This is the motto of our CubeGeeks Pro channel. So thank you, Ipshita, for your valuable time and your valuable review for our channel CubeGeeks Pro. It matters the most for us. फ्रेंड्स, फॉर जॉब, इंटर्नशिप अपडेट्स और प्लेसमेंट रिलेटेड मटेरियल्स पाने के लिए ज्वाइन कीजिए हमारा टेलीग्राम चैनल. लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. स्टे ट्यून्ड फ्रेंड्स. थैंक यू.